Lawyers, welcome to my Zoom room. Today is 3 examples why retargeting ads bring you ideal clients. And I'm going to offer you a tutorial video about how to do all of this yourself in meta ads, only available for a super limited time only for $19.95. So what is retargeting? According to HubSpot, retargeting is a form of online targeted advertising, and they're serving people who have already seen your website or maybe they're a contact in your database. But there's so many more ways to retarget. So let's look a little closer at what retargeting is. You might have maybe clicked on a super cool pair of cowboy boots, and the next thing you know, you see that same pair of boots everywhere you go online. It can be a nice reminder, or it can be kind of irritating. But in marketing, we all know that these days potential clients need to hear from you 17 or more times in order to reach out. And that's a lot of times seeing your information. Retargeting can really help you get those ideal clients off the fence. Example 1, website retargeting. So in meta ads, which is Facebook and Instagram, we can retarget in a lot of ways. In this case, we use meta retargeting ads to introduce people to maybe a new ad after they've visited your website. So imagine it this way. Imagine that you're spending money on Google ads and you have a campaign going where your potential clients are going to a landing page on your website. Now those same visitors will see a new ad on Facebook or Instagram. This makes your Google ads more valuable. Example 2, video retargeting. So at GoMedia Marketing Productions, we run a wide variety of video ads on Meta. Here we can choose from the videos that we're actually running right now and retarget people who have watched some portion of those videos. For instance, in one case, we're running a really funny ad that pokes fun at lawyer marketing in general. And then the next ad that they're going to see, they'll see something really heartfelt and educational and kind of serious about our passion for helping. This helps potential clients get to know us a lot better. Example 3, CRM retargeting. Another way to address retargeting is to download email addresses that you've collected. Maybe you use Salesforce or MailChimp or some other case management software. In this case, you can upload all of these email addresses to the Meta Ads Manager and retarget these same people. But you might be thinking to yourself, like, most of these people are already in our CRM and they probably are existing clients or former clients. But that's okay. These people are here to refer your services to their circle of people. So how does retargeting get you ideal clients? If someone interacts with your content over and over, they are interested, and instead of them slipping away to your competition, here you have a real chance of bringing them in as an ideal client. And my recommendation would be always to educate them with your retargeting campaigns, because people really don't know what they're up against when they need a lawyer. So here's the takeaway. People need 17 plus times interacting with your ads or seeing you in some way before they can really want to become a client. And retargeting ads can come in really handy. If you want a current walkthrough of the Meta Ads platform, I have just created a tutorial video that will be live for a short time for $19.95 called Get Ideal Clients, How to Use Meta Ads for Retargeting. And this will help you get these ideal clients off the fence. Get this tutorial video right now, because I definitely will not leave it live on my website for very long. Thank you so much for your time today, for watching this video or reading in the emails that I send out. Please subscribe to my content on YouTube so that you'll know when I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Here's to your success.